What is floating and sinking? When you drop something in water, it either floats on the surface or sinks to the bottom. But why does that happen? Let's find out using some fun science. What makes something float or sink? It all comes down to a concept called density and a force called buoyancy. Density and buoyancy. Density is the key factor that determines whether an object will float or sink in a fluid. Density is defined as mass per unit volume of a substance. If an object is denser than the fluid it's placed in, it will sink. If it's less dense, it will float. Example: a rock is heavy and dense, it sinks. A plastic bottle is light with air inside, it floats. What is buoyancy? Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a fluid, such as water or air, on an object partially or fully submerged in it. When an object is placed in a fluid, it experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Example: a ship made of steel floats because it's shaped to spread weight and has air inside, reducing its overall density. Fun floating test. Object floats or sinks. Why? Apple floats less dense than water. Coin sinks very dense for its size. Sponge floats has air pockets inside. Key sinks heavy metal equals high density. Plastic toy floats made of lightweight plastic. Try this at home. Fill a bowl with water and test different objects like spoon, eraser, pencil, balloon, stone, paper clip. Make predictions: will it float or sink? Understanding floating and sinking helps. Boat builders design safe ships. Scientists create underwater tools like submarines. Astronauts train underwater for space missions. Real-world applications. 1. Shipping and boating. Understanding buoyancy and density helps design vessels that can float and carry heavy loads. 2. Offshore oil rigs. Buoyancy principles are crucial for constructing stable platforms in the ocean. 3. Submarines. Controlling buoyancy allows submarines to dive and resurface. That's all for today, superstars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And drop a fun comment, I love reading them.